Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm still trying to help this gentleman. I don't think there's any way to do what he wants to do, but this is kind of the effect. We've created this pattern yesterday, and I've actually found a better way or a quicker way to do it. But he wanted to be able to change the pattern with the clone tool. Well, I really don't know of any way, but you could change the colors of this pattern, and this will maybe help him or help somebody. The old find and replace. We'll go to edit, find object, begin new search. Next, we want to find fields. We want to find uniform fields, and we'll hit next. We're going to move this out of the way. Find specific color. Go down here and find your eyedropper tool, and we're going to, well, you don't even have to do that. We know it says yellow, so we're going to find that. Go next, finish, find all. And what it's done is found all the yellows, and then we could change the yellows to blue, and it would completely change up your pattern. And you could do that with any of the colors. But I also found a faster way to get this 45-degree pie shape, and I'm going to put that on the next video. It's quite a bit simpler. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.